Introducing Zero Premium, your key to unlocking the ultimate luster and brilliance for your vehicle. Crafted with a specially developed glass blend silicone, Zero Premium offers a robust and durable coating that lasts for up to 6 months. With nanoplus technology and UV absorbers, it's not just for the body. Zero Premium is versatile, suitable for resin-based lights, interior parts, and wheels. But how do you use it? Shake the bottle well before use. After washing your car, spray one push over an area of approximately 50 square centimeters. Spread it evenly using a dry cloth, ensuring a streak-free finish. And remember these key points. Wipe before the liquid dries for optimal results. Use a dry cloth for the final wipe and finish. Keep in mind, avoid intense sunlight or hot surfaces to prevent stains or uneven application. Zero Premium. Elevate your car care routine and experience the brilliance today.